This is a 3-year-old boy with left undescended non-visualized testes. Now in this scan, right testis is visualized. This is normal in size 18 millimeter. The testis is movable in lower inguinal region and scrotum. This type of testis usually don't need immediate treatment and can come to scrotum later in life. In the right inguinal region, there is a inguinal hernia seen. Now note the movements are seen of the hernia with Valsalva. Ask the boy to cuff and see the movement of the hernia. Undescended testes occur in about 1 in 100 pregnancies. Usually this is unilateral in all the cases, but 10% of all undescended testes are bilateral. Undescended testes in inguinal region and abdominal requires surgical correction or removal. Now the left scan shows testes in upper inguinal region. This is normal in size 17 millimeter. Blood flow is positive. No other complications seen. This case requires surgery. Untreated undescended testes have a higher risk of atrophy, decreased sperm count, and higher risk of malignancy.